What if your business could take calls, answer questions, and book a meeting without you lifting the finger? I built an AI voice agent for AQ agency and it handles the entire process automatically. It picks up the call, finds the service and understands what the client needs, books a meeting live on a call without a single human involved. Let me show you exactly how it works. So I don't have multiple phones, so I'm making call here in Vapi dashboard. So let's click on talk.
Hi, I'm Alex from AQ Agency. We build AI voice agents that help businesses save time and handle customer calls automatically. How can I help you today?
Hey Alex, thanks for reaching out. My name is SN and I am running a tech shop called ATech where we sell computers, laptops and computer gadgets, tech gadgets, etc. So I need a voice agent for my store. So the problem we are facing is that when we are off, our customers still call us and ask questions like your working hours, your shipping in our area, stuff like that. So I want an agent that answer these repetitive questions that a user asks again and again, and the agent can handle these questions.
Thanks for sharing that, Essen. A voice agent can definitely help answer those common questions for your store, even when you're closed. Things like store hours, shipping areas, and basic product info. If you'd like, I can set up a quick free call to walk you through exactly how this would work for a tech. No fees, no pressure. Would you like to schedule that?
So I need to learn about what is voice agent. So basically, I don't know what is voice agent. I hear the term. I hear that term by somebody tell me that there is a voice agent, but I don't know about voice agent. Can you tell me a little bit about that?
Of course, a voice agent is an AI system that answers phone calls and talks to your customers just like a real person. It can answer questions, give information, and even help with things like order status or store hours 24/7, even when your shop is closed.
That's great.
Glad that makes sense. If you'd like, I can set up a free call where we walk you through exactly how a voice agent would work for your tech shop.
Yes,
no obligation at all.
Yes, sure.
Would you like to book a great? What's your full name, just so I can set up the meeting?
My name is Essen.
Thanks, Essen. What's a good email address for you?
info@mail.com.
Just to confirm, is your email info@mail.com? If not, could you please provide the complete email address so I can make sure you get the meeting details?
My email is jack@mail.com.
Perfect. Thanks, Essen. What date and time would work best for your free call? Please mention your time zone if
for
it
me,
does make.
I think for me on 17th April 2026 at 4 a.m. Pakistani Standard Time.
Great. 17th April 2026 at 4 a.m. Pakistani Standard Time is open. Should I lock that in for you?
Yes.
You're all set. The meeting is booked for April 17th, 2026 at 4 a.m. Pakistan Standard Time. A confirmation will be sent to jack@mail.com. Talk soon.
Yes, sure. Thank you, sir.
You're very welcome, Essen. Your meeting is confirmed, and all the details will be sent to your email. Have a great day, and I look forward to talking with you soon. If you run a business and you are still handling calls manually, this is what you are missing. Your competitors will have this soon. The question is whether you have first. If you want one built for your business, comment voice below and I will reach out to you personally. I handle everything from setup to deployment. You just start getting booking calls automatically. Comment voice, let's build yours.